Alright, so we've got 6 minus 3, square bracket, negative 5 minus 3 times negative 1 close square bracket. Now, we've got to simplify this funny expression, and we need to think about the order of operations. We start with parentheses, then we do exponents, then we multiply or divide, then we add or subtract from left to right. Okay? So, the tempting thing to do here, and what a lot of students want to do is they go here and they go, oh, 6 minus 3, that's 3. Now, what did I do wrong? Right, I started with subtraction. And I didn't think about my parentheses. So I started at the end of PEMDAS instead of the beginning. So I didn't follow the order of operations, so that is going to be completely wrong if you do that. Right? So don't do that. So think about the order of operations. We must start with parentheses. And we kind of start with the innermost parentheses first. This square bracket, by the way, is just another type of parentheses. Parentheses can look like this, or you can have square brackets, or you can have curly brackets. It doesn't matter. It all means the same thing. It's just a different type. It's just to make it look neater. In fact, if you want, you could just write this out like this if you want to, if it helps. And your calculator looked like this anyway. Instead of a square bracket, just have another parenthesis, because that's all it is. It's just another type of parenthesis. It doesn't matter. So I've just written the whole thing out with just regular parentheses instead of the square bracket, right? Okay. So we must do what's inside here. And inside here we have a negative 5 minus 3 times negative 1. So what does that make? Negative 5. And then what's negative 3 times negative 1? So, right, so we've got a multiplication and a subtract and a kind of addition at the same time. So first of all, just go blam blam. It's negative 5 plus negative 3 times negative 1, right? Which is like negative 5 plus what? Yeah. 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 Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. So this thing becomes positive 3 because it's negative 3 times negative 1. That makes positive 3, right? So inside that parenthesis or the square bracket, let's say, we have negative 5 plus 3. What does negative 5 plus 3 make? Negative 2. Yep. Right. So we can write the whole thing out. It's 6 minus 3 times negative 2. Because inside that square bracket, we just get negative 2. Right. So what does this give us? We've got a subtraction and a multiplication. Should I subtract first or multiply first? Yeah. Yeah, think of PEMDAS and multiply. So by doing this part, we took care of parentheses. But now we need to multiply. Negative 3 times negative 2 gives what? Positive 6. So this whole thing just makes a positive 6. Or you can change the subtraction to plus negative, and it's plus, and then negative 3 times negative 2, positive 6, right? And over here we have 6. Right, so this 6 goes there. This becomes a positive 6, so we have 6 plus 6. So we've taken care of our multiplication, and now we need to add. Right, 6 plus 6? 12. Yep, done. Good work.